Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 1968 Suzuki KT120. This is a little dual sport from 1968. It's a two-stroke engine, single cylinder, 120. It's got a kickstart, 3-speed transmission with a dual range lever. You can switch back and forth to high and low. Neat little bike. We just ran it through the shop, got her running good. It's got a new fuel petcock, new carburetor, brand new tires. I'll fire it up so you can see how she runs. Only 4,692 miles on the 1968 KT120. It's got the old black and yellow license plate, and right under that is the registration in that little clear tube. Neat little bike, just $24.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you.